cooker out this morning. I'm putting a pot roast in here. Tonight we're gonna have pot roast, mashed potatoes, green beans, gravy with mashed potatoes and pot roast. It's another dreary, rainy day, so this will make everybody happy when they start smelling it. I'll just put some salt and pepper on here. We're going to chop up this onion to put in. And I'm just smashing 2 cloves of garlic like that. So I just peeled them and then smashed them open like that. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce on top. We're gonna put about a cup of beef broth. I'm just pouring it until I see it coming up on the other side. There we go. It's probably about a cup and a half or so. And we're going to put a few slices of butter. That's it. Cover it. It's going to cook on low for, I'm going to go 7 hours. I've got this DW Home Honey Pumpkin candle burning. It smells really good. It's a good one. Most of the time, the DW Home candles are great. This one says it has an approximate 56-hour burn time. I wish I remembered when I started it. We could test that out. Anyway, so I got the honey pumpkin one, and then this one is also a DW Home. It's just pumpkin. I was trying to see, this one doesn't say like the scent notes or anything. Does this one? No, this one doesn't either. Maybe it does on the bottom. Just pumpkin, I guess, because this is just pumpkin, this is just honey and pumpkin. And then the Sensational brand, I got the pumpkin ginger snap. It's a wood wick. And then this one is also Sensational pumpkin waffles. Pumpkin waffles is one of my favorite scents. And like, I think Bath and Body Works, no, there's just pumpkin pecan waffles, I think. And then Goose Creek has some type of pumpkin waffle one. It's always a favorite. These Sensational candles, I've had some of these sometimes that are not the greatest, so I'll let y'all know how these are. And then this one I've never heard of before. It says M of WG. So if y'all have ever used one of these, let us know. The scent is just pumpkin, but it does say harvest pumpkin, vanilla, and buttercream with cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. And it's a little wood wick. I love wood wick candles. But yeah, TJ Maxx has really good prices on candles. And like I was telling y'all, I tried to order from Goose Creek, but it kept telling me that one in the cart was not in stock. So I would remove them one by one, trying to figure out which one was not in stock because it wasn't telling me. And it turns out like it was all of them. They didn't say out of stock, but like it didn't matter which one I took out. It always said one was out of stock and it wouldn't let me place the order. So anyway, I'll try again sometime, but since we were at TJ Maxx, we got a pumpkin candle haul. We're gonna go ahead and get the green beans in here. I'm just gonna cook them on the stovetop. And then in about another hour, we'll start the potatoes.
Why did you stop Bronco outside, Mama? Why did you stop Bronco outside? It's some kind of horse. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, I see him. He's a wild horse.
Whoa. I'm just not getting a bunch of air in it. How do I get this all the way in?
You need some help?
Yeah. Oh, you can do it quicker than me. Once those lines are gone, then it's almost done.
Oh, okay, so that's what you watch for when the lines are gone?
They're almost gone, but when it gets very tight, then it's done. And I'll put in Zia's because that's a little bit hard.
Okay, you gotta do it quick. Are you ready?
Yeah, well.
1, 2, 3, go!
I think is it still tight?
1, 2, 3, go! Got it! It's been an exciting night. We watched another Christmas movie. Manly lost a tooth, and now Tyler has to go to Walmart.
And I'm getting more control Hot Wheels.
Right. Jonah got a little remote control.
Okay.
Is it an actual Hot Wheels?
It's
just a little car.
Let me go and show you. It's just charging. It's just charging on the remote control. That's how you charge them. So I'm just going to bring the remote control in the car.
Okay. Oh, so it sits on there to charge.
Yeah, see? There's a little plug-in underneath. And
It's a NASCAR thing. Okay.
See? It charges on there, and there's a little plug-in and a little switch.
Yeah, it looks
Right.
like Hot Wheels.
That's what I'm getting. It's a little Hot Wheels car.
How's it feel losing that tooth?
good.
I jerked one of my customers' horses to eat that.
I thought you were fixing to say
They had a tooth that was loose on a horse and asked me if I'd pull it, and I pulled it. Thanks, my customers now, after I get their horses shot, now we got a few teeth we need you to pull. We don't want to go to the dentist. We're going to see if you just jerk them out.
He's making another fancy coffee over here. Is this the same way? You're doing it different.
No, I'm doing it the same way.
We save any leftover coffee. That's what we use to make the iced coffee. Sometimes, unless I make cold brew, sometimes I make cold brew. You didn't use the purple frother. We got that purple frother, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all about that. It's high powered. I mean, that could almost give somebody a back massage.
Man, they're beat eggs up there.
Show them the different coffee drinks.
Oh, I'll show you our fall coffee.
Can I have your old back massager?
Yeah.
Oh, yay!
Yeah, I'll show y'all our fall coffees. Mm-hmm. The Moss Fall coffees.
I think a maple pumpkin one would be good.
I'll show y'all our maple pumpkin as soon as I make it up.